So I can't hardly reach the fire. I'm kind of stuck in a chair between the rock and the wall, between the walk and a hard place. So I know I still have some leaves in there. Doggone it. Duh. So I'm going to light up a plastic bag with leaves in it on the end of a stick, and that's going to be my igniter. There we are. Get that in there and light her up. I don't know how many times she has sealed this with avocado oil, but it's a cast iron stove, and it looks great already. It looks beautiful. It's kind of a brownish beauty to it. Patina. It should get even better. You know, when this burns off, I'm going to pull the stick out, and we should be good. Cook it off again tonight. And it's dark. Oops. Get in there. Now don't fall off the stick outside. It's on concrete, no big deal, but I want it in there where it'll light the top bag up there. I think that's got it. Should have a stack on it, darn it. Yeah, stovepipe on it. That would really help. I might do that. That would help it draw better. If you're ever on a fire and there's a stick that's straight, has burn marks on it, don't throw it in the fire. This is a good, nice length, and it's also got a sharp tip which I use to poke through the bag. It's also got a other tip I used to push the bundle in with, a ram like for a cannonball. Flat end, that's what I used to stuff it in with, and then I flipped it around, stuck the bag on it, and lit it up. There's always at least two uses for everything. Do not throw things away. Don't throw 2-liter pop bottles away. If you can send me every 2-liter pop bottle you have, every one of those is like a 100-watt light bulb, and air tank. There's probably a million different uses for those things, and people throw them away. I can't believe that. Very stupid of Americans to throw everything's disposable. And the problem with thinking everything's disposable is the same people that throw everything away are the same people that will throw people away. I had a person here that I helped. I gave lots of money to, did a lot of good things for, turned on me, and you know, threw me away basically. Threw everything away. Threw plates away that I could have reused, cups away that I could have reused, paper towels away that I was reusing paper towels. Now I have reusable paper towels. I'm gonna reuse them. And TJ and Maria are the same way. We're not stupid people. Anyway, when you think everything's disposable, you consider people to be disposable too, and that's not good. People are not disposable. Brethren, beloved. That piece in there, there we go. Getting everything off of there. I got another fire going over there. A mineral tub, they're good fire things. I'm gonna get a bunch of them if I can. Okay, now I gotta try to get up. Okay, anyway, this is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. If you're listening to this, you are the remnant. And this is for step-by-step homestead. That's the well there next to the, you can't see it. Anyway, yeah, bless everybody. Bye-bye. We're having fun. So much fun here in the dark, and I got lanterns hanging up in the trees. LED lanterns, solar lanterns, very fun. Bye-bye. God bless. See ya.